Are you confused with the two terms cryptocurrency and Bitcoin? You ever heard about both? Most people do not get the connection between broad digital currencies like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the digital currency that utilizes cryptocurrency, and a decentralized authority controls it. We have reached the dawn of a new era, where we now have global money that helps businesses worldwide make a transaction safely and securely, with little transaction costs and at a minimal amount of time. Let's discuss these two in detail today. But before we continue, we welcome you to the Crypto Hub, the largest YouTube channel where you can find everything about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. If you're new here, hit subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. We'll be presenting exciting content about the most popular digital currencies. Indeed, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency would have remained a dream if we considered coming up with traditional currency to do the perfect things in this global economy. The standard digital currencies used to make transactions without the interference of strict government regulations and the banking intermediaries with huge transaction charges is a huge blessing in disguise for companies that rely on international transactions. Let's first discuss what we mean by Bitcoin technology. Bitcoin is the first ever cryptocurrency that Satoshi Nakamoto founded in 2008. It started as open-source software to transfer money. Bitcoin is a digital currency. In other words, it is a form of cryptocurrency created to speed up cross-border transactions, reduce the government's control over the trade, and simplify the process without having third-party in-betweens. Not having intermediaries has brought down the exchange costs significantly. Bitcoin isn't a formally accepted medium of payment in all countries, but people use it globally for different exchanges. Since it isn't physically present, it should be very safe and secure, and one of the top ways to do that's by using blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that provides a low-cost and secure environment for peer-to-peer transactions. It gives the data to the public so that anybody can access and see the financial exchange that has taken place. Now, it's crypto's turn. So, what do we mean by cryptocurrency technology? Cryptocurrency is also a new technology that acts as the medium for conducting financial exchanges. Cryptocurrency provides a safe and secure platform for transactions with cryptograph technology, from the creation of units to final verification of the transaction made. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital cash that's virtual and doesn't have a physical form. It works on decentralized control, which does not have any central keeping money systems. It makes it simpler for cryptocurrencies to work with distributed ledgers. With distributed ledgers that give peer-to-peer exchanges and the transparency of providing exchange details to the public, cryptocurrency advances have become a force to be recognized worldwide. Initially, cryptocurrency was only for digital transactions, but now it is used to trade almost anything through the internet. It has become a massive success that many companies around the world are using cryptocurrencies. Some top-level companies invest a lot of money to make the process even more straightforward with advanced safety and security measures, thereby helping cryptocurrency develop at an astonishing rate. So folks, hope you liked the video so far. Before moving ahead, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the Crypto Hub to stay along with us. Keep watching. If we skip something important, please let us know your thoughts and comment down below. Your feedback means a lot to us. We will start a more exciting part of the crypto world with few differences between Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in terms of aims, trading, status, popularity, etc. Here are 5 contrasting points about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency technologies. Bitcoin aims to simplify and increase transactions without much government restrictions, whereas cryptocurrency provides low-cost, safe, and secure transactions. When we talk about trading, Bitcoin is limited to trading using it as a currency, whereas people using different cryptocurrencies for trading. Bitcoin is the most popular currency nowadays, but the number of cryptocurrencies also has increased. Their share is still less than Bitcoin. Bitcoin focuses on reducing the time of transactions and lowering the influencer's costs but is less flexible. If we look at cryptocurrency, it aims to exchange goods and services in a safe and secure environment with very little or no government and middleman interference. Bitcoin likes to be mysterious, and thus, even though we can see their exchanges in the record, they are insignificant numbers that are not in any sequence. As cryptocurrency is a concern, lots of cryptocurrencies that came recently are following transparency in their transactions, and hence they can work with a lot of other industries. If you still have confusion in your mind, do listen to the answers to this question. Are Bitcoin and cryptocurrency the same things? I encountered so many people who interchangeably use these two broad terms, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but the short answer is no. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency aren't the same things. Bitcoin is just one type of cryptocurrency. However, it happens to be the most popular one since it is the first cryptocurrency ever created. Cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin are called altcoins, or alternative coins like Ethereum, Ripple, Steem, etc. Cryptocurrency is similar to advanced currency. You're simply having a virtual or digital representation of your real cash online. Most geeks call cryptocurrency the cash on the internet. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, has a head start over other cryptocurrency technologies. Since then, numerous cryptocurrencies have come, and a few are indeed specializing in some sectors. The most imperative thing is competition. Due to heavy competition, cryptocurrencies are continually progressing themselves in the innovations that they are using. It paves the way for a lot of innovation and improved performance and security measures. Bitcoin may have had a more significant chunk of share in the sector initially, but with the introduction of new cryptocurrencies and sophisticated and transparent technologies, the gap is diminishing as every day passes. This market will soon become more dispersed, with the cryptocurrency that provides the maximum value being at the top. Many market analysts believe the digital currency is the currency of the future. It seems to make a great deal of sense to those who are tired of relying on world banks to set the value of money, exchange rates, and even whether there is any real value to that money in the first place. Yeah, it's all about putting your trust in a system that is broken, as far as anyone knows. Now, I don't want you to get interested in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies just because someone told you so. The technology behind these newborn currencies is up and coming, and I think this is the best reason to get acquainted with it. We hope you picked up some good info from this video. So don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Hub for more informative content, because this channel is all about Bitcoin and the crypto world. If you have any questions and want to hear something more, add your comment below. Thanks for watching the Crypto Hub. We'll catch you in the next video. See you later.